चलो, आज का टॉपिक किसी को नहीं पता है, सभी के लिए अननोन रहने वाला है। तो भी आपको, अगर आपको टॉपिक के बारे में कुछ ज़्यादा पता नहीं हो तो चाहे कम बोल लेना, लेकिन एकदम बढ़िया बोलना है। ठीक है। तो आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन वर्सेस ऑफलाइन एजुकेशन। इजी टॉपिक है, ज़्यादा हार्ड नहीं है। और वन बाय वन, विदाउट सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन, ओनली टॉपिक का इंट्रो देना है, उसके बाद आपको जीडी में पार्टिसिपेट करना है। अच्छी लाइनें बोलनी है, भले ही ज़्यादा मत बोलना। ठीक है, सभी को सुन गया?
तो सर स्टार्ट करें।
विशाल कुमार।
Okay. So, Jain everyone. So, today our topic is online education versus offline education. So, first of all, I want to say that both are good, but in after the corona time, the online education is a boon for us because as we know that in the corona time we are not able to go in the outside coachings and present and the corona time we are in the home, and also in the home our study is not affected through the online study, because in the online study we are connected with our study. So in my personal point of view, I think that online study is good. Thank you.
अभिनव सिंह राजपूत।
Jai Hind to everyone. Today's topic is online education versus offline education. Online education is the virtual learning program which is done by the electronic source like computer, laptop, via the internet. Yes, definitely in this 21st century, online education has become a demand in our society, but it cannot replace our offline education. As we watch out in our last days, when whole world is in the outbreak of the COVID pandemic, when lockdown is imposed in the many big cities, in cities, then we should shift it toward the digital platform for continue our study program. Yes, I think it is successful in the case of senior children, but in the junior group, children faces lot of problem. They can't feel the classroom education and they are not understanding material properly. So I think that on offline education should not better than the online education. Offline education is better than the online education. Thank you.
It's Tej official.
Jai Hind everyone. Now I'm going to discuss on our today's GD topic, which is online education system versus offline education system. As we all know and very much aware about the educations, education is the most powerful thing by which a person can change the world. This is the thought that we have listened. Now there are two types of education system mainly we have. One is the online and other one is offline. But but yes, India is lag behind in the online education system. But in the time of COVID pandemic, it has been seen that there are so many positive effects of the online education system we have seen, by which the study of the children that were not able to go home in the time of pandemic, they were study from their home. Their study should not be wasted and the time should be properly in managed, so that we cannot say that online education is completely useless. There are so many, they both have many pros and cons also. They will be discussed laterally. Thank you.
Next in Prince Pandey.
भैया टॉपिक नहीं बताया, क्या टॉपिक आज का?
Online education versus offline education.
ओके, थैंक यू भैया। हाँ, ओके। So today's topic is online versus education versus offline education. No doubt, online education has played a very important role in a various pandemic situation. If we take an example of COVID-19 period, it has played a vital role in that, because if there was not a online education, then children are nearly seated back in their home and there is no facility for education. So it proves to be very beneficial for them. But secondly, we need to think that online education is not a well perfect way for an education, as it not gives a quality content to the education educating students. Similarly, if we all are offering an offline educations, in the presence of online education, then I think it's a justified reason, because offline education is the only way to have a clear cut interaction with the teachers. And with when our student have a clear cut interaction with the teacher, then the student have a capability to understand all the facts, either these facts from is virtual or real. And they also offline education also improves the way to have a cross question from the teachers through a very easy way. And whether in online education there is a very difficulty in facing a question, as they had to put out that question in the cameras and other ways in the video chats. So I think it's not a good thing. And if we have a opportunity to have a offline education, then I think offline education is the best way. Thank you.
Next, Sandeep.
Today's our topic is online education versus offline education. In my opinion, online education is good because online education is affordable for everyone. And for online education, we do not need to travel to another cities. So I think online education is good. But offline education is also good in a sense of because we can interact with our teacher and we can ask any doubt at any time. So both education. Thank you.
Next, Nitin Jat. Start, Nitin Jat.
Jain friends, today we will discuss on online shopping versus offline shopping. Friends, in my point of view, online shopping is better than offline shopping because no need to go out home. No, because in online shopping, because in because in off
Listen, brother.
क्या कर रहे हो? ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन वर्सेस ऑफलाइन एजुकेशन है। अब बीच बीच में छोड़ के जाओगे तो फिर यही हाल होगा। जब टॉपिक बता रहा हूँ तब तो आप इधर उधर भाग रहे हो। अभी स्टार्ट करो फिर से।
भाई ऊपर लिख दो ना।
टॉपिक ओके यार लिख दो यार कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है
ऑनलाइन
ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन वर्सेस ऑफलाइन एजुकेशन है ना भाई यही है ना
अननोन आईडी तेरा म्यूट कर ले
हाँ,
क्या भाई?
म्यूट कर ले आवाज आ रही है तेरी।
नितिन जाट स्टार्ट करो।
यस जैन फ्रेंड्स now Jane friends today we will discuss on about our GD topic online education versus offline education. Friends, in my point of view, online education is better than offline education because we need not to go out because we need not to go out in sorry yaar bhai.
हिमांशु यादव।
I'm glad to start our discussion on a topic online education versus offline education. As we all know that every coin has two face like a coin. Both online education and offline education have their own pros and cons. In online education, we get an access of learning from anywhere of world, from any place of the world. But problem in online education problem is that problem of network, and we also don't do any practical which we can do in offline. But due to corona pandemic, we most of shifted ourselves on online education because we are not able to go to colleges and our institutions. In offline education we all get so our teacher interaction, physical interaction, and a teacher also understand the condition of a student. If student is too weak, then he or she will see he or she will uh, uh, make a student more confident and uh, give some more tips. But in online education, teacher don't understand what category of student he or she is. Thank you.
Ankit Rajput.
Jai Hind everyone, I'm Ankit. Now today's topic is online versus offline education. Now, as you see in the COVID pandemic, online education is the most effective in the at that time for the student, and it is the way that we cannot travel with anyone. We can easily learn anything at a home, and sometimes it will be free of cost, and it provided the thing that we can easily learn without going abroad. Those students who are not able to go, it is very not costly at all. But the thing is also is provided that it if you not understand the thing at a one time, it may be you repeat the thing in the online education, but in the offline it is not as you can repeat it. But the thing is that offline education is also good for a student, because as someone all the mentioned, that is having a physical contact with the student, and especially for those students who are not very good at their study. And as we know that in India, school is a worship as a temple, so we cannot completely eradicate it as offline shopping with online, just like we not eradicated online just like a PDF from the book. Thank you.
Next, defense.
Hello everyone. As we know, today our GD topic is online versus offline education. In my point of view, offline education means a student go to physically to his school or college to attend classes for a fixed time. But in online education, we do not require to go to schools. We can learn wherever we want, whenever we want. According to me, both are good at their places, but in modern time, online education play a very important role. Because if we talk about during the COVID-19 pandemic, due to the restrictions of our government in lockdown of 3 to 4 months, at that time, children are unable to go to the school to attend classes. Uh, during this pandemic, online education play a remedy for those remedy for children's. If we talk about some advantages of offline education, uh, in offline education, children can get more learning, because the main difference between offline and online is the student and teacher interaction. So offline education provide a better understanding and a better interaction between a student and teacher. Thank you.
Next, Akash. Akash. R. K. Soni.